Welcome back to another Mobile Centrics Monday, where I cover what's new in Mobile Centrics, with the notifications in the company and new products on the website. One of the things that you might have noticed was a massive price drop on tons of products. And one of the things that you might have noticed in that recent price reduction is that Mobile Centrics refunded the difference from June 3rd till now on those products. And there was nothing that you needed to do, it just simply came back to you. Now, if you aren't aware, Mobile Centrics has moved locations to a much larger facility, which to move a company so large took quite a bit of effort, and there were a few bumps along the way. But now everything is back up, running smoothly, and is set up to be better than it ever has been before. A much bigger space means bigger things to come. And this is all thanks to you in supporting us as we support you in your business. There's a lot of new things to come over the next year. Be on the look for daily videos where I go over a variety of different topics, everything from the tricky repairs to the more complicated repairs in micro soldering, along with possibly featuring you. If you have a YouTube channel and you do good work, you might find your channel being recognized in a future video. If you haven't already, check out the genuine OEM parts for Google Pixel. Everything from your screens all the way down through your audio jacks and more. And like I said before, massive price drops on all our products and a bunch of new soldering supplies. A program that I definitely have featured on this channel is JC Drawing Schematics. So if you haven't checked this out, it's definitely worth the small investment, along with a variety of tools as you get into different repairs, like for example, the camera, refurbishing the cameras. Saves you a lot of money and a lot of effort, especially if you're trying to eliminate notifications of cameras being replaced. I featured this electronic tool, talked about each one of these components in previous tips and tricks videos. But as you can see, a variety of new soldering tools that I highly recommend you look into acquiring to further your game in the industry. And as always, check out anything that has new by it. One of the cool things that you may have noticed is now there are more than just one or two options for the new iPhone displays. If you haven't already, head on over to mobilecentrics.com and check out the new products and the new price drops. That's it for today. My name is Derek. Thanks a ton for watching. We'll see you in the next video.